Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we make content creation feel like a breeze. Today, I want to show you a ridiculously simple way to edit your videos using AI without any complicated setups or weird software installs. If you've ever recorded a long, messy take, stumbled over your words, or ended up with 10 awkward pauses, this is the solution you have been waiting for. We are going to walk through how an AI editor can take your raw footage, automatically trim the bad bits, and stitch the good takes together in seconds. It's basically like having a professional video editor who never sleeps, but without the high monthly invoice hanging over your head. First, go ahead and click the link in our description to get started with the platform we are using today. Once you have signed up, you will land on a dashboard that is incredibly clean and easy to navigate. Just hit the New Project button and start uploading all of those raw, unedited clips from your camera or phone. I usually just throw in everything: the bloopers, the multiple retakes, and the gold. So the AI has plenty of context to work with. Now you can scrub through your clips quickly to check what is what before you start the processing. In one take, I might have said something twice, and in another, there is a clear pause, which is just the usual human stuff. Instead of manually hunting for every single mistake, I just type a short, simple instruction in the project prompt. I tell the AI to remove repetitive takes, cut out filler words, and keep only the absolute best moments of the recording. You can even tell it to add captions or arrange multiple clips in a logical order if you shot them out of sequence. Then, you just click the Create First Cut button and let the magic happen behind the scenes. The AI uploads your footage to the cloud and starts working immediately to clean up your content. Depending on how much footage you provided, it usually only takes a few minutes to finish the job. When it is done, it spits out a clean single video that looks like you spent hours editing even though you didn't. I fed it about 2 minutes of raw footage full of mistakes, and it returned a tight 48-second clip that removed all those awkward pauses. The cuts are incredibly smooth, the pacing feels totally natural, and there is absolutely no awkward jumpiness. If you are happy with the results, you can just hit download and you are done with the project. But remember, that is really just the start of what this powerful tool can actually do for you. After the first cut, you can keep talking to the AI just like you would with a human editor. Try adding a prompt like, "Overlay visuals that complement my speech," like charts for stats or screenshots for tools. You can even ask it to add subtitles or replace a green screen with a clean white background for a professional look. Every change you make gets saved as a separate version, so you can always roll back if you don't like a specific edit. It is essentially version history for video edits, which is a total lifesaver when you are experimenting. Do you want more creative control? Just ask the AI to find the highlights for you. If you uploaded a 20-minute session, the tool can find the most engaging moments and create multiple short clips for social media. It will auto-generate 5 reels or shorts from a long interview, picking out the viral-ready bits automatically. That is perfect if you are trying to repurpose long-form content into quick social posts without spending hours trimming. You can even set a posting frequency, and the tool can schedule them for you automatically. Now, a quick comparison. There are other tools that promise similar editing, but most of them charge way too much. Some services force you to learn a complicated new timeline UI that is honestly more confusing than actually helpful. The advantage here is that the AI reads your content, understands where the highs are, and automates all the tedious work. Unlike competitors that only focus on clipping, this combines auto-editing, scheduling, and a content calendar in one place. Let me show you a real-life example of how I use this to streamline my own workflow. I uploaded a talk where I stumbled over my lines, repeated a sentence, and paused awkwardly several times. I typed a prompt to keep the best takes, fix jump cuts, and add captions, and it handled everything perfectly. In under 15 minutes, I had a polished promo, 5 bite-sized clips, and a calendar scheduled for the next 2 weeks. That is the kind of workflow that makes content creators feel like they finally have time to breathe. Another neat thing is the creative prompts you can use to add specific B-roll or text animations. It is surprisingly good at understanding the context of your speech and matching the right visuals. If you want to iterate, you absolutely can, because it is not a one-and-done black box. You can change the thumbnail, tweak the captions, or push more zoom on the speaker for dramatic emphasis. Every single tweak is saved as a new version, so you can compare, experiment, and pick the best one. Let's talk about the scheduling and calendar features, because this is where the tool acts like a true content manager. You can set a posting cadence, and the platform will automatically schedule your clips based on your settings. The calendar view shows exactly what is queued, what is live, and what needs a final polish. It supports posting across multiple social platforms, so you are not manually uploading the same clip over and over. Pricing is also a major factor, as some tools force you into expensive yearly subscriptions just for basic features. This tool offers plans that are creator-friendly and scale with your actual usage, so you aren't paying for what you don't use. The bottom line is this: if you hate editing, or if you want to spend less time on it, this tool actually delivers. It removes mistakes, stitches takes together, adds captions, and turns long videos into multiple short, shareable clips. If you liked seeing this workflow, please hit that like button to help other creators find this. If you want deeper walkthroughs on crafting better prompts or planning a month of content, let me know in the comments. We run weekend workshops where we dig into these exact tools, and I will leave that sign-up link in the description. Follow our other social accounts for quick tips and daily updates on the latest in content creation. Subscribe right here for more real-world AI editing demos, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and now go record something great and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you.